Honesty is a very expensive gift, don't expect it from cheap people. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. I insist on a lot of time being spent, almost every day, to just sit and think. That is very uncommon in American business. I read and think. So I do more reading and thinking, and make less impulse decisions than most people in business. I do it because I like this kind of life. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. The most important thing to do if you find yourself in a hole is to stop digging. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently.